Hello, and a huge, warm welcome back to the Chatterbox English channel, where we learn the language of real life, one conversation at a time. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. It's great to be here again. Today, we're tackling a situation that everyone faces sooner or later, but that can make even fluent speakers feel a bit nervous.
That's right. We're talking about reporting a problem or making a complaint in English. It's not about being rude or difficult. It's about communicating clearly and politely to get a solution when something isn't right.
Exactly. Whether it's a hotel room with a broken shower, a meal in a restaurant that's not what you ordered, or a package that arrived damaged, knowing what to say is a superpower.
A superpower for a calm and confident life abroad. So, let's break it down. Pavel, let's set the first scene. You're traveling. You've just arrived at your hotel after a long journey. You open the door to your room, and what do you find?
Okay, I can imagine this. I put down my bags, I'm tired, and I notice the room is absolutely freezing. It's like a refrigerator. I look at the air conditioner on the wall, and it's blasting cold air. I find the remote, I press every button, nothing. It's completely dead. The room is getting colder by the minute.
A perfect and very common first problem. So, your first instinct might be frustration, but the key is to take a breath and plan your approach. You wouldn't storm down to the front desk looking angry, right?
Probably not the best first impression. I should call the reception first. It's more direct and private. But what do I say? Just, hello, my AC is broken?
That's a start, but we can make it much more effective. Let's build the perfect complaint call step by step. Step 1, the calm, clear greeting. You want to identify yourself immediately. Hello, this is Pavel in room 412.
Hello, this is Pavel in room 412. Got it. Simple.
Step 2, state the reason for your call. Use phrases like, I'm calling because, or I'm afraid there's a problem with. I'm calling because I'm having an issue with the air conditioning in my room.
I'm calling because I'm having an issue with the air conditioning. I'm afraid there's a problem with the AC. Both sound good.
Step 3, describe the problem factually. Don't say, this terrible AC is freezing me to death. Say what is happening. The unit is blowing very cold air, and the remote control seems to be unresponsive. I've tried pressing all the buttons, but I can't turn it off or adjust the temperature.
Okay, so what it's doing and what I've already tried, that shows it's a real problem and I'm not just confused. It's blowing cold air, the remote is dead, I can't control it.
Perfect. Step 4, the most important part, the polite request for action. This is where you say what you need. Don't just describe the problem and hang up. Because of this, the room is quite uncomfortable. Would it be possible for someone to come and take a look at it this evening?
Ah, would it be possible? That's much softer than send someone now.
Exactly. Or you can offer a solution. If it's easier, would a room change be possible? This shows you're being cooperative. Let me try the whole thing.
I clear my throat, adopt a polite, slightly concerned tone. Hello, this is Pavel in room 412. I'm calling because I'm having an issue with the air conditioning. It's blowing very cold air, and the remote control isn't working at all. I've tried it, but I can't turn the unit off. The room is getting quite cold. Would it be possible for an engineer to come by and take a look?
Excellent. Clear, calm, and solution-oriented. Now, what if the person on the phone says, I'm sorry, sir, our technician has left for the day. We can look at it tomorrow morning.
That's not ideal. I'd be frustrated, but I shouldn't get angry. I need to be politely persistent.
Yes, this is step 5, polite persistence and escalation. You acknowledge what they said, then restate your need. I understand the technician has left. However, the room is currently too cold to stay in comfortably. Is there a manager on duty I could speak to, or is there another room available for me tonight? I would really appreciate your help in finding a solution now.
I understand, however. That's a very useful structure. It shows I heard them, but I'm still stuck with the problem. And asking for the manager is escalation, asking to speak to someone with more authority.
Precisely. Let's change the scene completely. Now we're in a nice restaurant. We've ordered our food, it arrives, and, Pavel, what's wrong with my plate?
Let's say your fish. It looks great, but when you cut into it, it's completely cold in the middle, lukewarm on the outside, cold inside.
A disappointing moment. How do we handle this without making a scene? The principles are the same. Be polite, factual, and ask for a solution. Catch the server's eye with a small wave. When they come over, excuse me, yes, hello. Start with a buffer phrase. I'm sorry to bother you, or there seems to be a small issue. I'm sorry to bother you, but there seems to be an issue with my fish.
Why seems to be? Why not my fish is cold?
Seems to be, or I'm afraid, softens it. It's less direct blame. Then state the fact. I'm afraid it's quite cold in the center. It's about the food, not about their mistake yet.
Subtle, but important. I'm afraid my fish is cold in the middle.
Then the request. Could I please have it heated up a little more? Or would you mind taking it back to the kitchen to be warmed through?
And if they are very apologetic, you be gracious. Thank you. I appreciate it. No need for it's okay if it's not okay yet.
Right. Thank you is enough. Let's try a third very modern scenario. Online shopping. You've been waiting for a week for a new jacket. The package arrives. You open it excitedly.
And it's the wrong color. You ordered deep navy, and this is bright red. Completely different.
So now you're not talking to someone face-to-face or on the phone. You might be writing an email or using a live chat. The rules change a little. Clarity and details are your best friends. Start with the essential information they need to find your order.
The order number. Always have that ready.
Exactly. Dear customer service team, I am writing regarding my recent order, number AB123456, which was delivered today.
Then describe the problem clearly and without emotion. I ordered the classic parka in navy blue, size M. However, the item I received is the same parka in red.
Perfect. Then state the desired solution. Be specific. I would like to exchange this for the correct item in navy blue. Could you please advise on the procedure for an exchange? Do you offer a prepaid return label?
Offering the solution you want makes it easier for them. Don't just say, this is wrong. Say, this is wrong, and here's how I'd like to fix it.
You're learning fast. Now let's talk about tone of voice and body language, because for in-person complaints, this is 50% of the message.
Even if my words are perfect, if I'm scowling and crossing my arms, it won't go well.
Exactly. Maintain a neutral or slightly concerned facial expression. Keep your arms relaxed, not crossed. Your voice should be steady, firm but not loud. The goal is to look like a reasonable person who has encountered an unreasonable problem.
A partner in solving a problem, not an enemy.
That's the best way to put it. Now, let's do an extended, more challenging role play. Pavel, you are once again in the hotel, but now you've called twice about the AC. It's been fixed, but it's now blowing hot air nonstop. The room is like a sauna. You go down to the front desk in person.
Okay. I walk up to the desk. The clerk is someone new. Good evening. My name is Pavel. I'm in room 412. I'm sorry, but I'm still having a major issue with the temperature in my room.
Oh, yes, sir. We sent someone. Wasn't it fixed?
Someone did come, thank you. However, now the unit is stuck on hot air and is even louder than before. The room is now extremely warm, and the noise is making it difficult to rest. This is the second time I've reported this.
I see. Well, there's no other technician available tonight. Perhaps you could just open a window?
I understand the constraints, but opening the window lets in street noise, and it doesn't solve the faulty unit. This is really impacting my stay. I would like to speak with the manager on duty to see what solutions we can find. A room change, a discount for the inconvenience, or a proper repair. I need one of these options, please.
Wonderful. You were firm, you recapped the history, you presented multiple solutions, and you escalated appropriately by asking for the manager. That is a masterclass in complaint handling.
It's all about being prepared with the phrases and the structure. It takes the emotion out of it and turns it into a process.
Absolutely. So let's recap our golden rules for reporting a problem in English. Stay calm, take a breath before you speak. Be clear and factual. Describe what is, not how angry you are. Use polite softeners. I'm afraid, there seems to be, would it be possible? State the solution you want. Help them help you. Be persistently polite. If the first answer is no, restate your case and escalate calmly. Practice these steps. Write down key phrases for different situations.
It will give you so much confidence.
Remember, your goal is to solve the problem, not win an argument. Using these English tools helps you do just that.
Thank you for learning with us through this detailed guide. We know you'll handle your next problem with calm and clarity.
Until next time on Chatterbox English, keep practicing and see you in the next conversation.